Hello and welcome. My name is Kelly Quinn and I'm an instructor with Canvas of the Wild. Today we're going to be teaching you how to paint an entire coral reef and ocean scene with our beautiful Hawksbill sea turtle. So we're going to be doing this in a handful of steps, starting with our background, doing the ripples, the lighting, developing up into the color blocking with our corals, and then jumping into our turtle, learning how to create that beautiful shell, develop out those plates, and do that lovely eye. So all you're going to need are a few brushes and paint materials, which I will cover next. The colors that we'll be using include Teal, Hansa Yellow, Pyrrole Orange, Pyrrole Red, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, Permanent Maroon, Dioxazine Purple, Yellow Green, Prussian Blue, Turquoise, Titanium White, and Phthalo Blue. Now keep in mind that all of these colors don't have to be the exact same name that mine are. Just look for the core color, like yellow, orange, red, maybe like a burnt umber color, or just a deep purple. Those are just quick examples of how you can find similar colors that are in the same family, but don't necessarily have to be this exact same brand. The brushes we'll be using include a small round brush, a size 2, a medium flat brush, a size 6, and a large flat brush, size 20. We will start by using our large flat brush to fill in our background and create our gradients. Then we'll jump into using that medium flat brush to do color blocking in the corals and the sea turtle, and then finally use that small round brush for details. Other materials you're going to need is, of course, a canvas. I have an 11-inch by 14-inch canvas, but you can choose any size, a pencil, a palette, a rag, and of course a water cup. And once you have all those materials gathered, let's go ahead and jump into the next part of this lesson and get started drawing.